Good evening. My name is Sandra Alvarez. I am single. I am from Samaniego, Nariño. I am 26 years old. I am student undergraduate in pedagogy at UNAD University. I live in Bolivar. In my free time, I like listening to music, the typical food. My top is empanadas with cheese, fried chicken, and French fries. The main touristic place in Samaniego is this bridge. The main celebration in my town are the carnival, music event, Holy Week, and of course the of the year party. In my city we can visit the bridge and try their delicious food. Thank you for your and I invite you to visit this wonderful place.